So I've taken 150 grams of chocolate cake and we're just going to crumble it well with using a fork. I leave a recipe in the comments box below of homemade chocolate cake. Now to this crumbled chocolate cake, I'm just going to add about 1/4 cup of dark rum and we're going to mix everything very well. And then using your hands, you can just knead it till it forms a soft yet firm dough. Now I've just lined a baking tray with some parchment paper or butter paper, and we're just going to make small even-sized balls with the dough and just place them on our butter paper. Now we're going to refrigerate these for at least 15 minutes. Now in using a double boiler, I'm going to melt about 200 grams of dark chocolate compound. So once our chocolate has melted, we are going to use 2 forks and then just dip these balls so that they get evenly coated with the chocolate and just drain off the excess chocolate from the balls and just place them on a butter paper. Now we're going to place them in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. And once they have nicely set, you will find that they have a little bit of excess chocolate. They don't really look like even-sized rum balls. So then what you have to do is just take a very sharp knife and just smoothen up this rum ball by just taking off all the excess chocolate. Now once they're ready, you can decorate them with some Christmas icing decoration, or you can just dust them with some icing sugar. But what I like to do is I just like to dust them with some unsweetened cocoa powder. They look really pretty that way and they taste really divine. Now this is definitely not for kids, but it's a very delicious dessert, very delicious Christmas sweet too. It'll make your it'll really look very, very pretty on your Christmas tree. So I hope you liked today's recipe. I hope you give it a try.